Welcome back. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy has surged in trade. It's now up close to about 5%. There was this Q2 conference call. Vivek joins in with the key takeaways. Vivek?
Well, that's right. So yesterday they declared the results. We'll quickly go through the results. Revenues high by 36% on a year-on-year basis. EBITDA quite strong, 18.1 crore against around 1.6 crore. Margins too quite strong, 1.8%, and profitability versus a loss last time around. Now, what is it that the company gave post-market as yesterday that has kept the investor community quite excited? Number one, the order book of the company currently stands at well over 10,540 crore. This is at the end of Q2. And in Q1, it was just around 8,084 crore, indicating that the company has received orders worth almost a little over 2,000 crore in Q2 itself. Total debt, has actually inched up a little bit. But what is it that the company is saying? The company is saying in terms of the gross margins, legacy international projects are now behind them, and they are expecting gross margins to continue to trend at 10%, which is positive. But on the other hand, when you're talking about the O&M business margins, they're expecting that, Q1 it was at 28%. They're expecting it to go slightly lower to 25%, and that is why they expect the steady state margins to actually go and settle at. Very importantly, the Nigeria order. This is something that the street has been waiting for quite some time. The company says final terms have been negotiated. Procedural steps are in progress. The company is awaiting the final contract signing. And this will be a very key trigger as far as Sterling and Wilson is concerned, especially in terms of the size that it will add to the order book. Now, as the company held a conference call today morning, what they're saying is that out of the total 8,000 crore guidance that they're given for FY25, a little over 3,200 crores has already come in. They're expecting significant pickup in execution in the second half of FY25. So the guidance is intact for the revenue at 8,000 crore. They've availed a new 500 crore loan facility from IREDA, which indicates, which is why they actually saw a bump up as far as, Q2 debt was concerned. And they are working on pilot projects as far as Reliance Industries is concerned. Expect the pilot project to complete by the end of next quarter. And they don't expect any further selling of stake by the promoters. On the back of that, some positive news flow, positive commentary. Stock is doing quite well in the session today.
From 800 to 500. Vivek, by the way, on the con call, did they say that African-Nigerian order will come this quarter, next quarter? Any firm timelines now?
Well, even in the investor presentation and even in the con call, what they're saying is that all the terms have been negotiated, procedural steps are in progress, and they're awaiting the final contract signing. So I don't think it's in their control, which is why they've been unable to give a concrete timeline as to when this particular order can come in.
Okay. All right, Vivek, thank you very much for that. Stocks, of course.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC TV18 on all of our digital platforms.